Dear student, in this video we study the one-dimensional heat equation theorem from the model 3. We shall assume the following. First, heat flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. The amount of heat in a body proportional to its mass and temperature. Third one is the rate of inflow across area is proportional to area and to the total temperature gradient normal to the area where the constant proportional, that is K, is called thermal conductivity. So these are the basic of the heat transformation. So let us do the theorem. Consider homogeneous bar of constant cross-section area A. Let rho be the density, S be the specific heat, and K be the thermal conductivity of the material. Let side be insulated so that streamline of heat flow are parallel and perpendicular to the area A. So it is a bar. We have heat flow from this end to, and the heat transfer from this is inside heat, this is outside heat. Then this is a boundary of the heat. Here I have written the sides of the insulated. Here the sides will be insulated so that heat always from this side to this side or only one direction. Then the bar is divided into two parts, P Q R S, P dash Q dash R dash. So let us transfer the heat from this and check from heat outflow. And what is the heat absorbed this area? We check by using this thing. Let one end of the bar be taken as a origin, so it is a origin, and the direction of the heat flow along the positive x-axis. The heat will be flow along the positive x-axis. Let U of xt be the temperature of the slab at a distance x from the origin, so it is a distance from the origin x. Consider an element, the planes PQRS and P dash Q dash R dash at a distance x and x plus delta x from the end O. Let delta U be the change in the temperature in the slab thickness. Delta X means here heat storage, that is delta X. The mass of the element is given by A into rho into delta X. The quantity of heat in the element is A into rho into S into delta X into delta U. Hence, the rate of increase of heat in the slab is given by R is equal to A into rho into S into delta X into dou U by dou T. It is equation 1. If R1 is the rate of inflow of heat and R0 is the rate of outflow of heat, we have R1 equal to minus K into dou U by dou T at X, and R0 is equal to minus K dou U by dou T at X plus delta X. It is equation number 2, where negative sign indicate the temperature flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. Hence we have from 1 and 2. So heat absorbed in this is given by R is equal to R1 minus R0. So R means A rho S delta X dou U by dou T equal to R1 means K into dou U by dou X X plus delta X minus R0 means K into dou U by dou X at X. So it can be written as dou U by dou T, take all of them this side, K divided by rho S into K dou U by dou X at X plus delta X minus K dou U by dou X at X divided by delta X. So taking limit delta X tends to 0 on both the sides. So it is a here is a definition of partial differential equation with respect to x. It can be written as dou square U by dou X square. Therefore dou U by dou T equal to K by divided by rho S dou square U by dou X square. Here C square means K by rho S. Therefore dou U by dou T equal to C square into dou square U by dou X square. This is called one-dimensional heat equation.